Hey everyone, Jarek here, and this is a shell ejecting Webley Nerf gun. This thing is really neat. It is only single action, so it's a Springer. That's pretty much what you should expect. But you load it up with these shells. You go ahead and open this up. And you can buy extra shells if you want. I bought a bunch of extra metal shells, because metal shells just kind of look better. If I can get one out of the box. There you go. Like, that looks a lot better than the plastic ones. It also seems to eject better as well. And you can also get speed loaders, which is really cool. So you can load up 6, open them. It'll only eject if you really forcefully open it, and then just push them in, and there you go. Works as you would expect. Oh, by the way, if you load this up with a bunch of cartridges and then try to flick it closed, you can't do that. You're just gonna launch those all over the place. Note to self. You can't flick it shut. Anyway, these are the darts these use. You just shove them into these casings and then put the casings into the gun. I find the plastic ones work with these quite well, but these don't work very well in the metal ones. There's just not enough friction there. They'll just fall out. Instead, these work with the metal ones. Now, if you've ever used any of the sort of like single action Springer Nerf guns, they typically use darts actually smaller than this, like significantly smaller than this. And as a result, the performance is honestly pretty laughable. Like, genuinely, when I eject the casings out of this, they go farther than you shooting the darts. In fact, I wanted to be pretty thorough when I chronoed this blaster. So I chronoed it with both styles of darts and both casings. What I found was that it didn't really matter whether you used plastic or metal casings, they had the same performance. As for the actual chrono readings, I found the gray-silver ones shot at only 30 FPS, whereas the blue ones had a little bit more at about 35. So yeah, these things shoot really weak. That said, I mean, this is a novelty item. Do you really care that much? At least I don't. I just think this thing's fun. Keep in mind, when you go to eject this, you really have to use force, and you have to do it quickly. If you just slowly open it, it will not eject them. So you do actually have to break it fast. But it works pretty simple. When you just go ahead and open it, you can see a little piece pushing up, and there you go. Do it fast enough, launches casings all over the place. Other than that, it's just a simple revolver. Does what it's supposed to. Overall build quality is pretty fantastic. I will say, it is a bunch of plastic, but it's very solid ABS plastic. If you want to buy one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down below in the video information. But I don't have anything more to say. This thing is pretty simple in its function, and it is a lot of fun. So let's just shoot it.